Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to keep track of your DDoS and client conversations? In this video, I'll show you how to use tasks, notes, and reminders in EngageBay's free plan. First, for tasks, go to your CRM or sales dashboard and click Tasks. Click Add Tasks to create a new one. Give it a title like Follow Up with Acme Corp. Set a due date and time, assign it to yourself or a team member, and link it to a specific contact or deal. You'll get a reminder when it's due. Now, for notes. Open any contact or deal. Scroll to the timeline section and click Add Note. This is perfect for logging call summaries, meeting points, or important details. Notes are attached to the contact's profile forever, so you never lose context. To set a reminder, you often create a task for it. But you can also add a reminder directly when logging a call or note. Look for the Set Follow Up option to schedule the next action right then and there. View all your upcoming tasks and reminders in the Main Tasks section, sorted by due date, so you always know what's next. And that's it. With tasks for action items, notes for context, and reminders for follow-ups, you'll stay perfectly organized without missing a beat. If you use notes to prep for meetings, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.